The Amazon is the largest rainforest on our planet. It plays an undeniably essential role to the ecosystem of the world. However, human activities such as deforestation and illegal wildlife trades are pushing our Mother Nature to the limit.
BBC News reported that more than 87,000 forest fires were recorded in Brazil in the first 8 months of the year, which is the highest number since 2010. By combining virtual reality technology and wildlife research, our project strives to bring the problems that the Amazon rainforest is facing to you. Once you put on your headset, be prepared to witness the challenges wildlife and locals have to face every day in their lives. Immersive audio and visual stimulation professionally arranged from intensive environmental protection research to guarantee that everything you see and hear is 100% natural. Grow Hope is the second phase of our project. Plant the saplings of hope with your generous donation and observe your effort grow in reality. Your choice and determination defines our future. The Amazon rainforest needs you. Yes, you in front of the screen. Your participation means everything to us. Together, we protect.